Streamline Precision's manufacturing division is dedicated to providing innovative solutions for the food processing industry. We understand the unique challenges of handling food products and the demands of maintaining product integrity while maximizing efficiency. With expertise in design and manufacturing, we deliver cutting-edge stainless steel equipment tailored to meet your specific needs. Our precision CNC cutting and turning capabilities ensure the highest quality in every component we produce. We offer complete line flow design and integration services that extend to creating custom conveyor systems tailored to your specific needs, optimizing productivity and streamlining your operations. Whether you operate nationally or internationally, our solutions are designed to meet global standards and regulations, ensuring complete processing solutions or consistent integration into your existing systems. Experience the difference of Streamline Precision. Our commitment to delivering reliable, high-performance equipment sets us apart in the industry. Streamline Precision, innovating the future of food processing.